Hello, I'm Wesley Butler with Transsoft Solutions. Welcome to our how-to videos for ParkCAD. For parking lots that were created with lot from boundary, ParkCAD has two tools to efficiently use any remaining space after the software has created as many rows as possible within the space. The first of these is to create center paths between the stalls and a parking row using distribute center paths. These strips can be used for walkways and landscaping, improving safety and aesthetics. Alternatively, any remaining space can be applied to equalize aisle space within a lot using distribute aisle space.